Welcome to John Cephas coaching classes. Today we will learn how to find the nature of roots. Last lecture we have seen how to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Today with that value we will determine what is called as nature of roots. Nature of roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac. Hence b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and is denoted by Greek letter delta. How to determine? So there are three conditions. B square minus 4ac, if at all it is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means positive value. The roots are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Delta is discriminant which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, I'll take three values. This is equal to 40, this is equal to minus 40 and this is equal to 0. If these are the values, now this is greater than 0, this is less than 0 and this is equal to 0. Check with these values. I am talking about these values. If it is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. If it is less than 0, then the roots are not real. If at all it is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. This is how we determine the nature of the roots. Now let us take three different examples and determine the nature of roots. The question is, determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to, what is the coefficient with x square? It is 1. With x it is minus 4 and the constant is c. Okay, now let us find the value of b square minus 4ac. That is minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 4. If you want, you can put it inside the bracket. Many children, they make a mistake. 4 square is also 16 and negative 4 the whole square is also 16. So you write 16 minus 4 4s are 16. So now your answer is 0. Since my answer is equal to 0, I will say therefore the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Second sum, 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. We will compare this with general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is equal to 2, b minus 7 and c is equal to the constant term. Let us find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Minus 7 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 2. 7 sevens are 49. 4 twos are 8 twos are 16. So the answer is 33. This is positive, so this is obviously greater than 0. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equation are, what is the nature of root? Real and unequal. Let us see the third sum. M square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is 1, b is 2 and c is 9. So now let us find out b square minus 4ac 2 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 9. So 2 square is 4 minus 9 fours are 36. What will be your value now? Subtract 4 from 36, that will give you 32, which is a greater number, 36. Put the sign in front of the greater number, that is minus 32. So this value, since it is negative, it will be less than 0. So therefore, the roots of quadratic equation are not real. The roots of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. Find the value of k. How to find the value? Once the nature of the roots are given as real and equal. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Let me simplify this first. Kx multiplied by x is kx square minus, so this multiplied by x and then this multiplied by 2, minus 2 kx plus 6 equal to 0. Let us compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is your k, b is minus 2k and c is 6. Now roots are given to be real and equal. When do you get the roots as real and equal? When the nature of the root, you can say b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is your condition. You will write b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Why? The roots are real and equal. So now let us write this minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into your a is k multiplied by 6 equal to 0. 4k square, 6 fours are 24k is equal to 0. So 4k square take k as common, 4k minus 24 equal to 0. So I will be getting two values. Okay, so k is equal to 0, k equal to 0 or this bracket 4k minus 24 equal to 0. Let us solve this. 4k is equal to 24, therefore k is equal to 24 upon 4, therefore k equal to 6. Now check both these values. If I put the value of 0 in this equation, this and this term will vanish and you will have 6 equal to 0. So the equation will become meaningless. Therefore answer is k equal to 6.